Jani Fasule. Bean Jani soup. A side dish from Albania. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Boil beans in hot water in an uncovered pot for 5 minutes. Rinse and boil for another 15 minutes in a covered pot in 3 cups hot water. Step 2. Sautee onion in olive oil until it turns yellow. Add 2 tablespoons bean stock from the pot along with tomato sauce, parsley, salt, and chili powder for taste. Cook for 10 minutes or until a thick sauce is formed. Then pour everything into the pot. Cover tightly and cool for 2 hours over low heat, or for 30 minutes in a pressure cooker. Step 4. This should produce a thick juice, covering beans by an inch or so. Serve hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.